These simple charm earrings are my favorite to wear. They're super lightweight and they go with everything. You can make them in just a few easy steps, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need lightweight air dry clay, images on a sticker or paper, scissors, fingernail polish, styrofoam or cardboard, wax paper, toothpick, earring hooks, split rings, and jewelry pliers. Start out by rolling 2 pea-sized balls of the air dry clay and flatten each one with your finger. Smooth them out front and back, and especially around the edges, making sure to smooth any seams or cracks. Takes a little bit of time and patience to get them perfectly smooth, but it's worth the effort. All right, once those are ready, then take a toothpick and you want to poke a hole at the top. Make sure you go all the way through. Smooth out any rough edges. Now you're going to set those aside until they're dry. It could take a couple hours to a day. You can leave the charms white if that's what you want, or what I like to do is paint them with some fingernail polish to give them color. And the easiest way to do that is to stick it back on the toothpick and press it until it's tight. And then you can have something to hold it while you paint with the fingernail polish. You want to get the front, the edges, and the back. Make sure you get right up next to that toothpick as well. Okay, once you're done painting, you can stick it in a piece of cardboard or some styrofoam or something just so it's not touching, so that it has a chance to dry. Do the same thing with the other charm. You might have to do 2 coats to get a good solid color. Once the fingernail polish is dry, you can pop the charms off of the toothpick. And now I'm going to put on my images. I've got some really small stickers right here. You can also use images from wrapping paper or any other kind of paper. Just make sure it's small enough to fit on. Tissue paper will work, but since it's a little thin, it might be hard to see the image if you've got a dark color on the background, but tissue paper would work well on a white background. So I'm going to cut out really close to these stickers. They have a clear background, but I want to cut off the word and get close to the star. Got my star cut out and I've separated it from the backing, and I'm going to place it carefully on my charm. Now to seal on the images and also to give the charms a little bit of sparkle, I'm going to do a clear coat with glitter in it. You could just use a regular clear coat of fingernail polish if you want to. If you're using tissue paper or wrapping paper for this step, then you want to put a little bit of the nail polish down first to stick the image in place before you go over the top. But since I've got a sticker, I'm just going to go over the top of it to seal it in there. And again, I'm going to put that in my styrofoam or cardboard to dry. Once the charms are dry, we're ready to assemble the earrings. So use your pliers to open the split ring. Thread on your charm, and then thread on the ear wire. And close the ring back up. Okay, now I'm going to twist the ear wire so that my charm is facing forward when it's in my ear. So you can see it's to the side right now, so I need to turn it so that ear wire is in the back. So when it's in your ear, the charm hangs forward. Do the same thing for the other side, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.